Good day guys, Daniel here from Stuff Malaysia with a comparison video between two mid-range phones in the market. We will be comparing the quad-camera Realme 5 Pro and the super slim Samsung A50s since they are priced almost similarly to each other and are possibly the better mid-ranges you can buy. We'll look into different aspects of both phones to keep you well informed in your decision if you are planning to get a mid-range phone. Here are the design overview for both phones. While here is a side-by-side comparison of the display quality of both the Realme 5 Pro and the Samsung A50s. Following this, let's test the app loading speed. Next is the speaker performance. These are some test shots and sample video footages on the camera of both the phones. After evaluating both phones and pitting them against each other, it is clear which one gives the most bang for your cash. But what are your thoughts? For us, the Realme 5 Pro offers faster app loading speed with a better speaker performance. The camera is also able to capture more vibrant and true-to-life colors in pictures and videos. While the Samsung A50s has a slightly better display and a slimmer build, the Realme 5 Pro definitely wins out, not only in price, but also in the overall features and performance. What do you think? Let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on our Facebook page, or subscribe to us if you're watching on YouTube. Stay tuned for more tech news from Stuff Malaysia.